Okay guys, there we go. Football beach cameras now. Load of had bangers in there guys. Yeah. Been there a couple of weeks back. Although I was good, but I couldn't take the music in there. Getting old and some, I reckon. There's farmers. Yeah, they're doing themselves out. And the hippodrome.
Only in Benidorm.
There you go, that's what you need to come out dressed like, guys.
All I can say is my birthday's going to be mental.
Yeah, it's going to be mental if you can get over here for the late market. I've forgotten. 6th of June.
21st. 6th
There
of
we
June.
go. There's
Whole
champions.
night.
There are champions are going to have a go at it now. There you go.
Done. Hey!
There's the place to end up, guys. Wherever you go in Benidorm, end up here. Benidorm Cafe. Even I didn't feel too old in there. So guys, we're going to go down and have a look, see if this Red Dog place is open now. I'm going to pause in a minute and we'll be down there as soon as. Okay guys, somebody's asking me whether this place was open. The Red Dog. Western Saloon. Yeah, it's definitely open guys. I thought it was. So, whatever you get up to in there, you can do it all over again. Yeah. What do you reckon they're doing there then, Marcus? You reckon line dancing and stuff?
Yeah.
Really?
They also did the sex shows, not Sticky Vicky or that.
Alright. Well, they knew then.
You were right.
There you go, guys. So yeah, Red Dog definitely open. Dress up as a cowboy, I'm sure he'll have a good night. Or cowgirl. Okay guys, I will leave this one here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.